Jen here with 4 Ring Recreation, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Christmas Play-Doh. So I've got 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of salt, 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. And I put it all in my pot and I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Then I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of oil, and my 2 cups of lukewarm water. Now if you want to make your Play-Doh green, you can also add green food coloring. You could add red, or you could make it just white and add the food coloring after if you want 2 separate colors. I'm going to turn my heat to just above medium, and I'm going to stir and mix it all up. When it starts becoming like a hard, kind of like squishy ball, that's how I know it is cooking properly. Now I also have some peppermint extract, and that's just going to give it a little extra Christmas charm. So you should be mixing pretty much consistently the whole time. I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Just a few drops will do, and make it smell like a Christmas tree. So you can see it's still a little bit runny, but it's starting to thicken. And it's almost ready to be taken off the heat. Now I think it's a little too light, so I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring. And you can see it's starting to stick to the bottom of my pot, and that's a good sign. We know it's nice and thick. And it's almost at the point where it's starting to form sticky ball. You can see it thickening up on the bottom there. Okay, it's about ready. At this point, you would want to put it onto a floured surface, and then you're just going to knead the rest of the dough together. Give it a nice smooth finish. So I'm just going to pour it out here onto my surface. You can see it's a nice thick Play-Doh-y consistency, and you're just going to knead it until it is all mixed together, and it'll be ready.